Mastering GMAT and GRE Timing, Adjusting Your Game Plan. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of GMAT and GRE preparation with a special focus on one of the most crucial aspects: time management. We all know that these tests are time-sensitive, so how do you make sure you're on track? And if you're falling behind, how do you adjust? Let's dive in and discuss evaluating and adjusting your time management plan. Every test taker should have a plan when they step into the examination hall. It's not just about knowing the answers. It's about ensuring you have enough time to give your best answer to each question. A solid time management plan ensures you attempt every question, reduces panic or rush in the last few minutes, allows you to allocate time to more challenging sections or questions. So, you've created a time management plan. Fantastic! But how do you know if it's effective? Here's what you need to do. 1. Simulate real test conditions. Always practice under real test conditions. This means no distractions, no extended breaks, and strict adherence to the official time limits. 2. Review your progress periodically. Every 15 minutes or so, check where you should be according to your plan. Are you ahead? Behind? Right on track? 3. Note difficult sections. Identify the sections where you spend more time than planned. Is it because of unfamiliarity with the topic, or is it due to a lack of practice? It's essential to remember that no plan is set in stone. You have the flexibility to adjust based on your performance. Here's how. 1. Reallocate time. If you consistently find yourself spending more time on a particular section, consider giving that section a few extra minutes from another section where you're faster. 2. Speed up on familiar questions. With practice, certain question types will become more familiar. Try to answer these quickly to save time for more challenging questions. 3. Don't get stuck. If a question seems too difficult, mark it and move on. You can always come back to it later. It's better to attempt all questions rather than getting stuck on one and missing out on others. 4. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you'll become at gauging your speed and adjusting your time management plan. Time management is as crucial as knowing the right answers. An effective plan will not only help you attempt all the questions but will also reduce unnecessary stress on test day. We hope this video has provided insights into how to evaluate and adjust your time management strategy for the GMAT and GRE. Best of luck, and happy studying!